Hare Krishna, welcome to the Damodar session. We'll start our class. Thank you, kids, for joining. We'll start our class with the prayers. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurannitanyena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi पश्चात देश तारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण let's all sing Hare Krishna 11 times, okay? Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Rama Hare Rama Hare 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 Krishna Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare
Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama Hare Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Rama
Krishna
Hare 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 Krishna, Krishna Krishna
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama, Rama Rama
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Hare
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 Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Good kids. Thank you so much for singing so beautifully. Today's Krishna visiting two places at the same time. Manmai Krishna. Thank you, Manmai Krishna, for muting yourself. Okay. So we will see how does Krishna can visit two places at the same time. Can we do that? Can I do? I'm sitting here. Am I there also outside? No, right? I'm sitting here only. I'm here. I'm only one person. I can be here. I cannot be like Krishna. So that's the difference between us and Krishna. Krishna is supreme. He can become expanded so many times. We already seen in some other stories also. We will recollect that also here in this. Okay, one day Lord Krishna decided to visit two of his devotees in Mithila. Okay, one is a king of Mithila, that is Bahulasva, and the other one is a very simple Brahmana. His name is Srutadeva. Okay, so Krishna want to go to two places because two devotees have invited him, and he was going along with his holy men, means other sages like that. So everyone, when he entered Mithila, everyone greeted him very nicely and welcomed with so happily Lord Krishna. And when Lord Krishna went to the Bahulaswa's palace, the king has welcomed him very nicely. And we can see here Lord Krishna has expanded himself into two, and he went at the same time two different places, but the kings don't know that. King and Brahmana don't know that. Oh, Brahmana don't know that Krishna is also present in king's house, and king don't know that Krishna is also presented in Brahmana's house, because they don't know, right? Krishna, what Krishna is doing, they cannot guess it, so they don't know anything about it. We see same thing. This is nothing for Krishna, right? Because we saw in the same thing here in where Lord Krishna was expanded himself like 16,108 like to stay with all gopis, right? All 16,108 gopis. And also we see in another pastime where when Brahma kidnaps all the calves, what did Krishna does? Calves and cowherd boys, Krishna becomes as like so many calves and also cowherd boys, right? Like Krishna can easily do that to make Krishna himself two times, so it is very easy for Krishna. So Krishna happily went into two places. We see when Bahulashva welcomed, he was so happy, and his tears was coming from his eyes with the joy, and he made Krishna to sit nicely, and he washed Krishna's lotus feet. He offered Krishna nice garlands, sandalwood pulp, incense, lamp, new clothes, ornaments, cow, bull, and he feed the king, right? He's very king. He in big king, so he feeded very opulent prasadam, very big feast he gave to Lord Krishna, and also he gave the feast and welcome to the same way in the also the holy men who came with the Lord Krishna. So like that, afterwards, after Krishna had a feast, then the king took Krishna's lotus feet and placed his on his lap and started massaging. King started massaging lotus feet of Krishna nicely and started glorifying Krishna with the sweet, nice songs. Like this, Krishna has satisfied to visit king's palace. And king was also so happy, and king requested, please Krishna stay some more days. And Krishna agreed, and Krishna also stayed there some more days. And we can see now what happens in the Brahmana's place. Now Krishna is also at the same time in Brahmana's place, right? So Brahmana was welcoming very nicely. You can see in the picture how nicely he's welcoming, and he is so humble. He's so humble. He's dancing and welcoming with great respect. And he just offered a simple when Krishna came, simple wooden board, and also straw mat, very simple straw mat, and fruits, leaf, lotus flower. And also here Brahmana is very poor, right? His wife does not cook very opulent prasadam. She cook very simple food, like simple rice and dal, nothing much over there. And but that also they have served with love, very much love. So here we can see that how Krishna accepts everything. Like we learn this verse, right? Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhakta prayachati tadam bhakti uparitam ashnami prayatatmana. So here we can see that how Krishna was accepting very opulent prasadam and also very simple prasadam also. So the Krishna does not need any opulence. Krishna needs love. If you have love, Krishna will accept. Even a tulsi leaf we offer, Krishna is accepting. Even small white rice and with little ghee and salt, Krishna is accepting. Krishna is accepting very yummy big feast also. So we should have the love. We should understand that, okay? And going to further in the story, what happened? Brahmana washed Krishna's lotus feet, and Krishna, he welcomed Krishna, and Krishna also blessed him. So now Brahmana started speaking to Krishna like this. Krishna, not this is the first time you are satisfying my desire. You already satisfied my desire by staying in my heart as a Paramatma. So Krishna is sitting in our heart as a Paramatma, as a super soul, right? We know that two bird story. One bird is the soul and the other one is super soul. So Krishna is always sitting in our heart as a super soul, and Krishna knows that that what we are doing, and Krishna makes us us happy. If we understand that Krishna is there with us, then we are happy. If we forget that Krishna is not Krishna, and then what happens? We will be miserable. So same thing Brahmana is explaining, that if we know that you are there, then we are happy. If we forget you, then we are unhappy. But here, one more thing that Brahmana was telling to us, what he's telling is, sometimes even we forget also, Krishna sends a pure devotees to remember us. Like how Prabhupada came and remembered us, right? Prabhupada came to America with the trunk of books. He chanted Hare Krishna and we all became happy. Right? So like that, like Prabhupada came to our lives and give Krishna to us, like that. Many people get connected like that. So here in Bhagavad Gita also Krishna says, Sarvasya saham hridi sanni Vishnu mattas pradhyama apohanam cha vedesya saham
Vedesha sarvera veda vejo Vedanta Gridveda Videha Chaham. Don't say it wrong, mommy.
Okay. Thank you for helping me, Vrinda. So here in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is saying that Krishna gives us remembrance and also forgetfulness. So if Krishna wants us to remember him, he will make us to remember. So like that, Brahmana is telling how glorious Krishna is, how we have to remember Krishna. If we are not remembering Krishna, then we will be so sad. By remembering Krishna constantly, what happens? Our heart is clean. We know this verse, right? We all sing Cheto Darpana Marjana, means the heart is cleaning. When we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, all the bad thing will go away from our heart, and then we can nicely worship Krishna. So like that, Brahmana was glorifying Krishna and also offering his obeisances and praying Krishna that please always make sure that I am your eternal servant. But Krishna is telling that to Brahmana, no, you don't serve me. You have to serve. If you serve me, it's okay. But if you serve my devotees, I will be more happy. Like he was telling. So that is why we have our spiritual masters, right? Tatvidhi Pranipatena. We go to Krishna, spiritual master, and spiritual master gives us knowledge, and through spiritual master we serve Krishna, right? So like that, Krishna is telling like that, if you serve like that, I'll be more happy if you serve my pure devotees. So then, like this, in the very beautiful way, both the king and Brahmana got blessings of Lord Krishna, and Lord Krishna visited both of the houses like that. So this is the story for today. We will see few questions, okay? Very simple questions. Lord Krishna decided to visit two houses at the same time. What are the devotees' names? Can anybody say what are the two devotees?
Balvasan Deva.
Yes, good. Good, Tanvik. Thank you so much.
Brahmana.
Okay. Thank you. Can you say like how Krishna has expanded, right? So many other times Krishna expanded into so many other pastimes. Can you say other pastimes that I have explained other than the Krishna expanding to go to two houses?
Kidnapped the coward boys, and when he married the 16,000 wives from.
Yes, good job.
Almost robbed.
Keshavi, good job, Keshavi. What did Brahmana wife cooked for Lord Krishna?
Served simple rice and dal. Or some
Simple
rice and dal.
Who is sitting in everybody's heart as super soul?
Krishna.
Nah, very good. So,
Damodar.
participating in question answer. So today we have a very nice activity. I was thinking Damodar going on, something we have to do, right? So this is the whole Damodar pastime. So you have to tell me which scene is the first scene and which scene, like you have to say me the sequence of the story. I jumbled everything. You have to tell me which one comes first and second, like that. Can anybody guess which picture comes first here?
I know.
Yes, tell. Come on.
Krishna. Yashoda Maya holding Krishna. Feeding milk.
I don't think so. What is the Krishna's pastime? How does
Turning. First, when the first picture when they Yashoda Maya is churning the butter.
Oh, yes. Okay. Yashoda Maya is churning the butter. Then what?
Then Krishna came.
Then Krishna came. Correct. This is the first peak. Sorry. I'm sorry. This is the first peak. Okay. And then Krishna came. Then what happened?
Then the milk was boiling and Mother Yashoda had to get it.
No, I don't think so. No. What something happened in between?
When Krishna was drinking Yashoda's milk,
Yeah. Then what happened? Then what happened?
then the milk was boiling.
Then milk was boiling. Then what happened next scene?
Then Krishna was angry and he threw all the butters.
Where is that picture? Can you guess where is that picture?
The fifth picture.
Is this one? I'm showing the cursor, right? Can you see my cursor?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Then what happened? Afterwards, what happened?
Then he threw the rock on the butter and ate all the butter.
Ah,
Then Krishna was, Yashoda Maya was angry. So then Yashoda Maya took the stick and was like chasing Krishna.
yes. I can only hear Keshav. We can everybody should talk. I want everyone to talk. Afterwards.
Then finally Yashoda Maya got him because with her I don't know, with her she was like breathing. So Krishna, then they took the ropes and tied him on the motor.
Mm-hmm.
Then he went, he saw the trees, the Arjuna trees, and then they fall apart. Like they're separated.
And Tanvik, you are not talking. Anybody is not talking. Only Keshav is talking. I want everybody to talk.
Yeah, actually Krishna went there and broke the two teeth with the mother churn.
Yes. And then what happened?
After that, Nala Maharaj released Krishna from the mother churn.
Yay, good job. Good job. Good job. Nicely, you guys narrated the scene wise correctly. So let me narrate for you. I want everybody to be mute. I'm hearing so much background. Okay. Let's see the story, okay? See, first what happened is Krishna nicely sleeping. So then Mother Yashoda got some time to do her household work, right? So she started churning her butter. And then Krishna woke up and Krishna came and said that, oh, I also messed up here. I've missed here one picture. Okay, I will explain you the story. And then what happened? Mother Yashoda was churning the butter and Krishna said, I'm hungry. And here comes the picture where Mother Yashoda feeding Krishna, okay? I missed that picture. And then what happened? Suddenly she thinks that she kept the milk in the stove and it is overflowing. And then she goes there, Krishna messes up everything, right? And then he takes the pot and he goes and he feeds the monkeys. In meanwhile, Mother Yashoda comes and she comes to know that, this is all done by Krishna. She catches the sticks and she wants to try to find, and then she sees Krishna over there sitting and feeding everybody, and then she take the stick and she run behind Krishna and she want to beat Krishna. Finally, she catches Krishna and she ties Krishna to the motor grinder. Krishna is more naughty. He wants to be more naughty. What he does? He crawls between the Arjuna trees and Arjuna trees breaks. And who comes? Nala Kuvera and Manigriva. And they takes the blessings of Krishna and they will go higher planetary system. And then what happens? Finally, Nanda Maharaj comes and releases Krishna. So that's the Damodar pastime. Hari Bol. Thank you kids for participating in that. We will move to the next part of our session, which is the verse and the rhyme. We have Sarojanandini Mataji. Anjana Mataji, do we have Sarojanandini Mataji today? Hare Krishna, I cannot hear anybody.
Mataji, I didn't see.
Yeah, Mataji, you only take over, Mataji, for the verse.
Hari bol.
Oh, okay. Now, Hare Krishna Mataji. This is Keshavi.
Today we will do Brahma Samhita 53 sloka, okay?
Oh dear.
First of all, Hari bol. First of all,
Okay, we hear you.
we'll read the translation and then go to the sloka, okay? I adore the primeval Lord Govinda. Can you repeat all?
I adored the primeval Lord Govinda,
Govinda.
Once again. By whose conferred power
by whose conferred power
are maintained the manifested
are maintained the maintained the manifested
manifested potencies that are found to exist
potencies that are found to exist,
the penances and all jivas from Brahma to the meanest insect.
from Brahma to me, the meanest insect.
Here, Brahma is praying to Lord Govinda, by whose power are all the living entities are maintained. You know, all the living entities means who are? We are also living entities, yes? We are living entities. Brahma is living entities. Demigods, they are living entities. God, they are living entities. You know? All are maintained by who? You know? Do you know?
Krishna.
Yes, Govinda, Krishna. It says like that. Yes? Yes? We will do the sloka, okay? Dharma atha papa. Say.
Rama Ata Papa.
Dharmo tha papa.
Dharma Ata Papa.
Itaya srutayastapamsi.
Ichaya Shrutayasya Tapsi
Kasi.
Dharmo atha papa.
Dharmo Ata Papa
Nitaya srutayastapamsi.
Nichaya Shrutayasya Tapsi
Kongi.
Nitaya srutayastapamsi.
Nichaya Shrutayasya Pamsi
Brahmadikita. Brahmadikita.
Brahmadikita.
Patagavadaya sajiva. Patagavadaya sajiva. Patagavadaya sajiva. Gavadaya sajiva. Dharmo atha papa nichaya.
Dharmo Ata Papa Nichaya
Shrutayastapamsi. Brahmadikita patagavadaya Brahmadikita
Brahmadikita.
pataga
Patrika.
Pataga badaya sajiva. Pataga badayam sajiva. Can you all do one time more? Dharma atha papa nichaya. Dharma atha papa nichaya. Can you all repeat? Dharma atha papa nichaya. Srutaya tapamsi. Srutaya tapamsi. Dharmo atha papa nichaya srutaya tapamsi.
Dharma papa nichaya shrutasyatamsi.
Brahma adikita pataga.
Brahma adikita pataga.
Brahma adikita pataga.
Brahma adikita pataga.
Badaya sajiva.
Vadayasya jiva.
Okay, one more time, okay, and then we can also practice tomorrow 2 more lines. Dharmo atha papa nichaya.
Dharmo ata papa nichaya.
Srutayas tapamsi.
Srutayasya tapsi.
Srutayas tapamsi.
Srutayasya pamsi.
Brahmadikita pataga.
Brahma dikhita pataga.
Badaya sajiva.
Vadayasya jiva.
Badaya sajiva.
Vadayasya jiva.
Dharmo atha papa nichaya.
Dharmo ata papa nichaya.
Srutayas tapamsi.
Srutayasya pamsi.
Brahmadikita pataga.
Brahma dikhita pataga.
Badaya sajiva.
Vadayasya jiva.
Okay, you can practice. Mataji will send the audio, and then we can do 2 more line tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Rhyme. We'll go to the rhyme.
Mataji, can I say the rhyme?
Yeah, we'll see. Yes. Till G we finished. Yes. Yes, for helping devotees.
H for helping devotees.
I for inspiration.
I for
Inspiration.
J journey to holy places.
G for journey to holy places.
K for kindness.
A for kindness. A for kindness.
Learning from
Learning from devotees.
And for making a goal.
For making it our goal.
you want to teach M for making it our goal.
And for making it our goal.
Yeah, for nurturing out.
And for
N for
treating our faith.
That will
And for helping devotees.
want to
I will
inspiration,
inspiration. And for moving to holy places. For making it
I will.
Wait. And for
Balabinda, I will call by your everyone name.
Mataji, could Kishavi go, Mataji?
Can everyone please quiet first? I will call one by one. Balabinda, call one by one. Okay? Be Balabrinda first and Balara.
Can you all be quiet? Runda is singing, okay? After Runda, other kids can sing. Huh? Head
Yeah.
first. Okay, what's it? Head for helping devotees.
Head for helping devotees. I for inspiration.
J.
J for journey to holy place. K for kindness be my show. L for learning from devotees. M for
Making it our goal.
goal.
And for
And
touching
for
our faith. That will move
lead us on to O for Boga.
Brinda, thank you. You want to say the sloka?
Mataji, she don't know, right? Tomorrow she will do that.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. Now Balaram. Yes, I'm asking who is, alphabetic way. Yes, Balaram.
X for helping devotees. I for inspiration. J for journey to holy places. K for kindness and neutral. Learning from devotees. M for making it our goal. And for not treating our feet.
Yeah.
That will move us to O.
Yes. Now after B, Janvi. Yes, go. Yeah. First I will help you. Dharmo. Okay. First sloka. First rhyme. Yeah.
H for helping devotees. I for inspiration. J journeying to holy places. K kindness we must show. L learning from devotees. N for and for nurturing our faith that will move us on to our
Dharmo. Two lines.
Oh no, not this. I can't see this.
1 second, okay? Dharmo, Janavi saying the sloka, Dharmo atha papanichaya. Atha papanichaya srutayastapamsi brahmadiki tapataga kita pataga badaya sajiva. Thank you, Janavi. Next is M. K. K is not there. M. Okay. Rishikesh is there. Yeah. Rishikesh, I forget your name. Sorry. Yeah.
Dharmo atapapanichaya shrutayastapamsi brahmadikita pataka vatayascha jiva yaddattamatra vibhava prakata prabhava govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami.
Thank you. Yeah. Go ahead, the rhyme.
H for helping devotees. I for inspiration. J journey to holy places. K for kindness we must show. L learning from devotees. M for making it our goal. N for nurturing our faith. That will move us on to O. Thank you, Mataji.
Rishikesh, now M. First, who already raised the hand, I will ask Madhav. Madhav and then Mayu and then Madhava. Okay?
Okay, yeah, say.
Madhav.
Dharmo,
Taval,
atha,
atal,
papa, Papa,
Papa,
Nichayah,
it's a horror.
Shrutayas, Shrutayas, yes,
Yes,
Tapasmi, Brahmadi,
Raman,
Kita, Pataga, Avadyash, Jajivaha.
Thank you. It's so cute. You are Madhav. Yes,
Mataji, good Keshavi. Go.
yeah, we miss Kesave. Go, rhyme.
Yeah, the rhyme.
Could
H,
okay.
H, helping devotees. I, inspiration. J, journey to holy places. K, K, say K, kindness we must show. Yeah, L, learning from devotees. M, making it our goal. It, N, nurturing our faith that will move us on to O. Yes, say thank you, Mataji. Okay. that's-
Kesavi, you go, and then Manmay, Krishna, and Mayuk. Okay? Kesavi, go first.
Could I say the rhyme and sloka, Mataji?
Yes, rhyme. You go ahead first.
Should I say the two lines or one line? I forgot.
You say the rhyme first.
I want to say the sloka.
Okay, say 2 line.
Dharmo da papani kha stratas tam masi brahmdi kiti
Pataga,
cha di shiva. Could I say the rhyme?
Yes.
H for helping devotees, I for inspiration, J for journey to holy places, K for kindness we must show, L learning from devotees, M for making it our goal, N for nurturing our faith that will move us on to O.
Thank you, Kesavi. Now,
Thank you, Mataji.
Manmay, Krishna.
Say Hare
Hare Krishna,
Mataji.
Mataji,
Dharmo,
Da-
Dharmo.
Mata,
Say Dharmo,
Dharma,
Ata,
Ata,
Papa,
Papa,
Nichaya,
Nichaya,
Shrutayas,
Krutayas,
Tapamsi,
Papams,
Brahmadi,
Granmadi,
Kita,
Ita,
Pataga,
Pataga,
Vadayash,
Vadayash,
Jajiva.
Tajida,
Yeah.
H for
Hatcha for helping the Lord,
devotees.
devotees,
I for
for
inspiration, singer.
inspiration,
J
J
for
for
journey to holy.
places,
K for
K for
kindness.
kindness,
We must show.
we must show,
L for learning from
L for
learning
from the Lord,
devotees.
devotees,
M for
for
making it our goal.
making it for our goal,
N for
for
nurturing our faith
nurturing our faith,
that will move us to O.
and that will move us to O.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Now, Mayuk and Tanvik, okay? Mayuk.
Dharmo atapa
Shrutayastapamsi
Shrutayastapamti
Brahmadikita
Brahmakatika
Pataga
Pataga.
Padayas.
Patayas.
Kativaha.
Kativaha. Head for helping devotees. L for I for
Inspiration.
inspiration. J
J.
journeying to holy places. K for
Kindness.
kindness.
We must show.
We must show. And
Learning from devotees.
learning from devotees. And for making it our goal. And
For nurturing
nurturing for
our
the
faith. That
that will move us on. Oh, bye, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Very nice. Bye. Balaram, can you mute your phone because other kids are doing? Yes. Okay. Now, Tanvik. Go ahead, Tanvik. Tanvik, are you there?
I can see him, but he is not talking.
Yeah.
I think he's frozen. His screen. Yep, he left.
Tanvik left, I think. Yeah, Tanvik is coming. Yes, Tanvik.
Yep, now he's not frozen.
Mataji, are we done, Mataji?
No, we have one month.
H for helping devotees. I for inspiration. J for journey to holy places. K for kindness. We must show. L for devotees. M for making our goal. And for nurturing our faith that will take us on to. Oh, Hare Krishna Mataji.
Haribol, do you want to try sloka?
I doesn't know the sloka.
You can repeat from Mataji, okay?
Dharma
Atapapa nishaya
Atapapa Nishaya
Shrutayasta tapamsi
Sriyasta Pamsi
Brahmadi
Kita
Pataga
Pataga
Vadayasya Jivaha
Vadayasya
Jivaha
Jivaha.
Thank you. It's very nice. All the kids, they tried sloka also and rhyme. It's very nice. We'll do
Well,
again
Mataji.
tomorrow. Is there any kids remaining? Everybody got chance.
Yeah, only 9 people.
Yes. Only nine. Yes. Now we can go to the Vaishnava prayers. Yes.
Valchakam Vipasinyuva evacha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namah.
All devotees ki jai. Anjana Gopika Mataji ki jai. Thank you.
Well, bye-bye at least.